Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by precision cutting. Fold the fabric with the grain and place the paper pattern so shoulder and grain lines match. Use pins every 3-4 cm and cut with a sharp rotary or shears, keeping the seam allowance consistent at 1:1. 5 centimeters. Once done, transfer all internal markings, darts, pocket lines, and button positions so you can match pieces later. Make sure to mark left versus right pieces clearly. This prevents mirror mistakes when assembling the blazer. You next build the body by stitching darts and pockets. These shape the silhouette and must be pressed precisely. Once darts are secure, join front and back at shoulder seams, clip curves, and press. Then set sleeves. Ease the sleeve cap into the armhole with small pleats as needed, pinning evenly and machine basting before final stitching. After that, construct and attach the lining separately, understitching the facing to hold the seam allowance inside. This yields a clean interior and keeps the outer fabric smooth. You finish by joining collar and lapel, clipping curves and understitching the collar stand so it rolls correctly. Top stitch where the pattern calls for reinforcement and add interfacing support for the lapel if it looks floppy. Sew buttonholes using a stabilizer and hand sew buttons securely. Once pressed carefully using a tailor's ham, try the blazer on and make final adjustments. Take in side seams or shorten sleeves by 1 to 2 centimeters if necessary. If seams pucker, relax tension and repress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.